Hey guys, this is how to fix Buffalo Wild Wings app not working. So guys, watch till the end as I discuss multiple solutions, and for Apple users, I will show a step-by-step guide on the left side of the screen. So first one is just simply go to the Google Play Store and go for the search icon at the bottom and go for the top at the search bar and search for the application, guys. And now just simply tap on the app, and when there is an update, you should be able to update it over here, and just make sure you are running the latest version of the app. And now you should be able to fix it. And just simply tap on the three dots on the top right and make sure to enable the auto update. Now, guys, another option that you have is just simply go to the settings into your device. And after that, once you are on the settings, just simply scroll down and go for the apps, guys, over here. And now just simply go for the Buffalo app over here. And now just simply tap on storage and tap on clear cache, and you should be able to fix the issue. But if it still doesn't, just simply go back over here and just simply tap on clear data and tap on OK. And from there, you should be able to fix it. Now, guys, another option that you have is just simply hold the application and tap on uninstall and tap on OK. And after that, just simply go to the Google Play Store and install it back again into your device. And from there, you should be able to fix the issue. Now, guys, if you still have issues with the app, feel free to leave a comment below and I'll do my best to help you out. See ya!